AI-generated Camilla. Bapodra Investments will share their personal views and insights on how Bitcoin is one of the cleanest sentiment-driven price charts around, and explain why they think that is the case. First of all, let's discuss what Bitcoin actually is. Bitcoin is essentially a digital asset. It does not exist in the physical sense. It only exists digitally. It falls within the cryptocurrency asset class and is often referred to as a digital currency. You cannot pick it up, touch it, or hold it like a pound coin or a dollar bill. Bitcoin is based on blockchain technology, is secured by cryptographic technology, and there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin digitally mined. Bitcoin is decentralized, so it is not controlled by any government, unlike fiat currency, which is centralized as it is controlled by governments and central banks around the world. Bitcoin is mined using computer processing power. This is unlike gold, for example, which is physically mined from the ground. This has made it challenging for the older generation to get their head around and accept Bitcoin as an asset to invest in.
Hi, I am AI-generated Mia. Bapodra Investments believe that investing in Bitcoin is not like investing in a company stock. Unlike a company, Bitcoin does not generate any revenue by selling any products or services to an end customer. Unlike a company, Bitcoin does not issue any dividends or even have a managing director or CEO. There is no board of directors that Bitcoin is answerable to. With a company listed on the stock exchange, it is ultimately answerable to its shareholders. Bitcoin does not generate any revenue. It has no cash flows, no profits or losses, and no balance sheet. Lots of people have stated Bitcoin is garbage and it is junk. Bitcoin must have died over thousands of times in the past decade. However, Bitcoin is still here and very recently hit over $100,000 per Bitcoin, which was an important psychological milestone. Bitcoin in its earlier years used to be extremely volatile, but recently, since Trump's tariffs, the S&P 500 has been more volatile than Bitcoin. Some will ask why. Bapodra Investments think one of the reasons could be that the actual tariffs don't impact Bitcoin as much as it would a real company, and the impact it could have on its costs and margins.
Hi, I am AI-generated Rifa. Bapodra Investments believes that the cryptocurrency market, where Bitcoin is the largest with a market cap of around $1.1 trillion, is heavily based on sentiment, market participants, and more specifically, the herd will behave in a very emotional manner. This is where human psychology kicks in. Many will get greedy when the price of Bitcoin is rising. This creates something called FOMO, which is fear of missing out. Now the reverse can often be seen. When the price of Bitcoin is declining sharply, these same people will sell Bitcoin because they feel the price is collapsing, and they will lose their capital invested. Bapodra Investments feels that when the herd behavior experiences overreactions of emotions, it amplifies the price move upwards or downwards for Bitcoin. This includes hedge funds, large institutional investors, as well as retail investors. This can be seen on the chart of Bitcoin using different time frames. Bapodra Investments feels that Bitcoin has one of the cleanest, sentiment-driven price charts for the reasons outlined in this content. Bitcoin has shown immense resilience since its inception. As it grows over the coming years, it will be interesting to see if its volatility declines. If so, will we see significant sentiment changes? Will corporate treasuries add Bitcoin to its balance sheet? Bitcoin and gold do not generate yields, yet the price performance of both have been strong in the past couple of years. Some see Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, or even money printing by some of the central banks.
Hi, I am AI-generated Camilla. Bapodra Investments hope you found this content both interesting and useful. Please do encourage all of your friends, family, and colleagues to subscribe and press the like button. The more subscribers, views, and likes received will really help drive future content.